In your blog, let's say what you want to do is you want to show a blogger logo. Then what you can do is you can use Logo Gadget to show that out. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto your dashboard and then onto your layout section over here. Once you go out over there, then you need to click on add a gadget, and then you need to go around and select out logo right here. Logo is simply a blogger logo that you can display. Let's say, for example, you want to display this blogger logo right here, just like this. Then you can simply go around and choose it and hit the save button. And there's this logo right here. So let's say I want to go around and add this onto the top portion right here and hit the save button right here, just like this. Once I do that, if I were to go to my blog and then refresh this out, you'll be able to see a logo right there. Let's just go around and refresh it. So seems like it didn't support it on the top section, so let's just keep it around in the header and hit the save button. Sometimes it won't support certain locations, and over here now you can see blogger right here, just like this, and it gives you a link to blogger.com. That's it. So that is simply it. That is how you can show the logo of Blogger by using the Logo Gadget inside of your blog. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.